Hello and welcome to Giftpack. Today, I want to introduce one really cool update that can help you make the gifting experience for you and your recipient even more personal and customized. As you may know, our marketplace campaign allows you to pick one gift for your recipient and send it right away after they confirm their delivery address. We realize that for some of our clients, it might be hard to choose one gift out of thousands of other options on the marketplace. So to make it easier, you now have the opportunity to choose multiple gifts and leave the final selection up to your recipient. Let's take a look on how to do that. After choosing the recipient while creating a marketplace order, press the gift selection button. Here, you can still opt to pick one option and proceed to gift selection, but let us explore how to choose multiple gift options for your recipient. On this page, you can set your budget limit and desirable categories to streamline the gift selection process. Now choose up to 20 gift items. I will choose just to this time. Press the Confirm button and proceed to fill out your order information and recipient details. Don't forget to review your order. Please note that you will be charged according to the highest value item on the list, so we recommend you select gifts within the same price range. Place an order, and you are all set. Your recipient will receive an email asking to claim their gift. They can pick from the items you choose, opt to donate their budget, or explore more options within our marketplace. That wraps up our video. I hope this feature will help you create a more memorable and meaningful gifting experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.